Welcome back. Last time you saw us, we were in Java, enjoying all the things that we could see there. But this time, now we're off to Bali. There's a thing with Bali Airport where you have to walk for miles with your bag, so make sure you're mobile, not carrying big luggage. Alright, I can see our van. It's 5 a.m. It's early. Good morning. It is bright and early and we are here at a beautiful hotel overlooking Mount Batu. That one behind me is Mount Batu, and we're here at sunrise. It's about 6 a.m. and absolutely stunning. There's a lake as well. Beautiful, stunning views. They've built a whole kind of operation around the viewpoint because plenty of hotels behind me up there. Yeah, absolutely stunning, and we're going to have breakfast here. I can't wait for a cup of coffee. Need a cup of coffee, so I think they're going to give us one shortly. But absolutely magnificent, and we're taking lots of photos. But it's getting lighter and brighter very quickly. It's a pretty good view for breakfast. I don't think I've had a better view than this with my cappuccino. I'll turn you around so you can see. That is my morning view. Stunning. So we have come out to a village and we're having a lovely walk around the fields, identifying all the plants and looking at the ducks. We're going to walk through some rice fields now. You can hear some roosters in the background. It's been a very, very good tour, this one. Baby rice. They're going to run away. They're going to run away.
Continue our culture and tradition, nature.
Wherever you go in Bali, you'll see these little floral offerings on the ground. Try not to step on them. Anyway, they showed us how to make them.
This is your connector.
Later, we went to cooking school. The best part about going to cooking school is you get to eat all the food afterwards, and it was a very yummy feast.
There is one day preparing ceremony.
Initially, I didn't want to go to the monkey forest, but here we are. The sanctuary is home to a large group of long-tailed macaques, and it was only 5 minutes from our hotel. We are in the monkey temple. We have just got through ticketing. It was 120k. Don't bring too much with you, and don't look at the monkeys in the face, or they might steal your belongings if you've got food with you, so don't bring any food. We came early in the morning, which I think is a good idea before it got really hot and very busy. There are some guidelines: maintain a safe distance, avoid direct eye contact, no food or drinks, and dress respectfully because it is a temple. This wee cutie was playing with a rock in the pond and a banana skin. I could have watched him for ages. He was doing a good job. It's very warm, isn't it? Warm and sweaty. It is very peaceful, but watch where you're walking. So you don't want to be walking or stepping onto any of the monkeys. They might bite you. Later that day, we went and had afternoon tea at our hotel up on the terrace on the top floor with a beautiful view over the countryside. I'd already had a lovely massage, so I was feeling very calm and very rested. We are off to a water purification thing this morning, so we have to put our bathing suits on and wear them on the bus. Bus is ready, time to get on. It was raining and the streets are very busy and very clogged, but eventually we made our way to the temple where we did our cleansing ceremony. First of all, you have to put on a sarong, which you will then change out for a different sarong. Our guide was very good at matching colours to us. Pink's your colour. Ooh, pink and yellow. We did our purification process where I got dressed up in different sarongs. I got my baby suit was on, and then we had to put our head under 3 times under each water spout, and started off in the healing and then the wishing. Then we all got changed and back in regular clothes now with the sarong. It'll come off in a minute.
This temple built by the king is for the ancestor.
Had a beautiful temple, the royal temple. To wear a sarong.
Okay, I want you walk towards me. 1, 2, 3. Don't look the camera. Okay, yeah.
The symbol of to celebrate the kindness, to celebrate the happiness.
Back in the room after our day and at the water purification and then at the temple in the rain, so I had to wash my hair. I'm going out tonight to a palace apparently. Going to see some dances and then have some dinner, so that'll be nice.
To let know that this is belong to me.
Time to go. It's just after 6 o'clock in the morning and we've come down to the beach to see if we can see the sunrise, but it's a bit cloudy, overcast. There's a spot of rain. The sign says, "Will you marry me? Will you marry me?" Dog number 1. You can hear me. Dog number 2 and 3. After our pleasant beach walk, it was straight into breakfast. Really appreciate a good hotel breakfast. After we'd had our fill of pancakes and coffee, we were over to the Icon Mall for some air conditioning and shopping. Suited me just fine. And they had donuts. Is that our boat? Ooh, fancy. Sit up and down. As you can see, we're on a boat. It got a little bit choppy and bumpy in places, but anyway, we managed to find a nice secluded cove where we could have something to eat and a pleasant drink to watch the sunset. Beautiful! Yay! Amber's got good sea legs, so she's alright. But the light is very bright. The next day it was into the grab and over to a new hotel in Seminyak. Quick tour, lunch, and then the next day it rained. It's raining. Need the umbrella. Look, it's really pouring. Was going to go out in the rain, but it is very heavy, so I don't think we'll bother. We were going to go and get a cup of coffee, but we might just go back to the room and see if this settles down later, because it looks like it's ankle deep out there. What do you think?
It's persisting down.
It is. Good evening from the pool deck. I'm up here. It's sunset. We were supposed to go out for a nice dinner tonight, but actually neither of us are feeling 100%. Anyway, it's the end of our trip in Bali and Java. Loved it all. Intrepid looked after us really well. We did a premium trip. Lots of stuff, lots of things to see. We were very busy, very active, and very little free time to ourselves, which actually is fine. Quite like that. Haven't cared for Seminyak quite so much. I actually preferred Sanur. I think that was quite nice. It suited us more. We could have gone down to the beach, but Seminyak, not really our style. I'm sure it suits a lot of people, but not for us. Bali and Java have been wonderful. Lots and lots of good people about. Lots of interesting food. Everything's really affordable, reasonable price. Most people, when we said we've been to Jakarta, said, what on earth were you doing there? But we saw a bit of Jakarta, and the train ride was great, and all the temples and monuments have been fabulous and interesting. Volcanoes were absolutely spectacular, and a shout out to Corey, our director. He did a good job of looking after us, and it was a nice, really nice group of people. So if they're actually watching, I really appreciated you spending time with us, and we had a really good group and we gelled together very well, so that was great. The guys at the pool deck are probably wondering what on earth I'm doing, chatting away to myself, and hopefully the music in the background's not too bad. I'll have a look at the sunset behind me. Going to the beach. I think the tide is in. After admiring the beach squirrels, which is a bit of a novelty for us Kiwis, we packed up, left the hotel and made our way to the airport where we caught our flight home. We are going home. Goodbye Bali. For some reason the camera decided to film on a tilt. Anyway, cheers to you guys, and we'll see you again next time.